It's a beautiful summer morning in Independence in the train yard of the Carson Colorado Railway. We have a work weekend going, and the purpose is to get this back into shape and buttoned up so that we can do a hydro test.
As we're lapping the valve, as we showed in the video earlier, now we're at the point that the two seats are touching. And after we've done the lapping, how we tell with the two seats, we just take a simple pencil and make a line. I kind of like doing two, and I'm going to do them on each point of the compass, so to speak. So that's the upper seat. The lower seat, we'll make lines pretty much on the 4 points of the compass, so to speak. So what we're doing at this point is making sure both seats are touching at the same time as the valve comes in. So we put it in dry after drawing the lines, and we'll take, it doesn't chatter, which is really nice. We'll take a full 360 turn. Here we got the lines gone. Here we got the lines almost gone.
And when you say gone, you mean in the vertical part?
Because,
okay.
Yes, because of that valve spinning
Yeah.
on this seat. This one's showing, but because we're so close, we're not going to do any more lapping. And as we go down to the seats below, you can see where the pencil lines have been removed also. So we're real satisfied that both seats are touching at the same time. It's at the point to assemble.
So what are you tightening here?
So this is the locomotive brake stand, and this is the independent brake stand, and so we're going through and reconnecting all the various lines for the brake system that communicate both with the air compressor, the reservoirs, the distributing valve, which is under the cab. So that's what all this is for, and then also the gauges too, which Scott's hooking up right now. So there'll be a series of copper lines that go up to the gauges to give us readings for all of those components on the brake system.
Two air gauges, and then this is the steam gauge. Pull it up a little bit more. There we go. So up. It's cammed. And so when you turn this, it pushes this thing up and down. Okay.
I don't know if you had found one, but for material for your...
Yeah. So what's the mindset of why repack it?
So it's nice and pliable. I mean, it's this is one of the more critical applications. This is where the water valve control is. If an injector is pulling air in anywhere, problem. So it's nice to pay attention to this one.
Make sure it has a good seal
It's,
on
you
it.
know, it's pulling a vacuum here. And
Yeah.
it gets caught by the stem. Lifting injectors don't like that.
It looks like a lot of packing in there. Is it how many? It's 5. How many?
That's the bottom.
Okay.
Spinning as well, or just back and forth? Push it in there with the
Okay, all right.
Ready?
Yep.
Hold on to it.
Okay. Wow. Now would it walk completely out, you think?